Welcome to DocuBills. To expand your team, you can easily invite employees to join your company workspace through our Streamlined onboarding system. Navigate to the Invite tab on your dashboard. Simply input the employee's full name and professional email address. Then designate their specific role and department to ensure they have the correct access levels upon joining. Click Send Invite Link to initiate the process. Once dispatched, a confirmation alert will appear. You can monitor the progress of all pending invitations within the Employee Invite Activity Log, where the status will remain as Invite Sent until the registration is complete. The recipient will receive an automated invitation email. By selecting Accept Invite, they are guided to a secure portal to complete their profile and establish their unique login credentials. Once the form is submitted, the employee will see a Request Submitted confirmation on their screen. Following profile completion, a final confirmation email is sent containing their login details. This ensures the employee has a direct link to access the workspace securely. The employee can now sign in using their newly created credentials to access their personalized dashboard. This seamless integration allows your team to start collaborating immediately. Thank you.